Hey everyone. So, if you're part of the gospel music world, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The history is just so incredibly rich, but finding all the resources you need to learn and grow, well, they're usually scattered all over the place. What if there was one spot that brought it all together? Today, we're going to take a look at a really cool project that's trying to do just that. It's called the Gospel Music Master Vault. I mean, it's a story we all know, right? You're trying to find the lyrics to a classic hymn, then you get curious about the story behind the song. And then you think, man, I'd love to learn how to play this on piano. Next thing you know, you've got like 10 tabs open on your computer and you've spent way more time searching than actually doing anything. It's a real headache for musicians, choir directors, singers, pretty much everyone. And this is exactly where the Digital Gospel Music Master Vault steps in. The idea behind it is so simple, but honestly so powerful. To create a single go-to hub for the entire gospel music community. Just imagine a place where all those scattered pieces are finally in one spot, easy to get to. That's the whole vision here. And this is what I find so compelling about this whole project. It's not just a digital library or an archive. It has this incredible two-part mission. First, to preserve the amazing heritage of gospel music, but at the same time, to provide modern, practical tools to help today's musicians really shine. It's all about honoring the past to empower the future. So you've got these two big ideas working together perfectly. On one side, you've got the preservation of that rich heritage. We're talking the stories, the legends, the absolute foundations of the music. And then on the other side, you have these modern tools designed to sharpen your skills for today's ministry. So let's dive in and see what each of these sides actually offers. Okay, so let's start with that first pillar, preserving the heritage. I mean, how does a digital platform actually help us connect with the deep, powerful roots of gospel music? Well, think of it like a digital treasure chest of gospel history. Imagine you need the lyrics for a song, and boom, you find them instantly. But it's so much more than that. You can also dive deep into the stories of the gospel legends who literally shaped the music we love, which gives you so much more context and inspiration. It's all about having that foundational knowledge right at your fingertips. But like we said, this isn't just about looking back. That second pillar is all about mastering your craft today. So what kind of modern tools does the Vault offer to help musicians in their ministry right now? And this is where the Vault becomes this amazing training ground. We're talking professional level lessons and workshops, whether it's weekly vocal tips to help you fine-tune your technique, super detailed piano tutorials to nail a new song, or even workshops for your entire choir. These are practical tools designed for real, active growth. So who is this really for? Well, the beauty of this thing is that it's been designed with the specific needs of the gospel community in mind. Let's break down how it helps different people do what they do. For all you musicians out there, just think about it for a second. You get instant access to piano tutorials right next to this deep well of musical history for inspiration. It's just a really powerful combination, designed to make you a more knowledgeable and skilled instrumentalist. And for choir directors? Oh, this could be a total game changer. Imagine having access to workshops to refine your directing style, and then being able to use the Lyric and History Vault to bring a whole new depth to your rehearsals. It's kind of like having a personal mentor and a historical library on call 24/7. And of course, for all you singers, those weekly vocal tips are like having your own personal coach, helping you protect your voice, expand your range, and truly master your instrument. It's all about giving you the confidence and the skill to just excel every single time you minister in song. So, by now you might be wondering, okay, how can I check this thing out for myself? Well, the team behind the Vault has made a really simple and easy way to get started, a free challenge that gives you a little taste of what's inside. And getting started could not be easier. It's literally just 2 steps. You pop in your details, and you're in the challenge. That's it. No complicated sign-up forms or hoops to jump through. It's just a direct, open invitation to start exploring and growing. So when you put it all together, the Gospel Music Master Vault is so much more than a website. It's really a bridge connecting the rich history of gospel music with the vibrant present, all to empower the musicians of the future. It's a tool for excellence. So the real question is, are you ready to take your ministry to the next level?